Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at natural gas daily, weekly, everything time frame. So Bear Flag City on the daily time frame. We have a dump, parallel support and resistance lines on a short-term bounce leading to another dump, parallel support and resistance lines on a short-term bounce leading to another dump. The bears have a firm grasp here. We've been oversold on the daily RSI now for a week, and this is an extremely bearish pullback. So it is time to start looking for a long entry, and I will be looking for a short-term couple night hold, but with the inventory report coming, I think I'm going to wait for that to settle in. Unless we stay in really oversold conditions, then the risk to reward for a bullish position heading into the inventory report will favor reward, because a lot of the risk, a lot of the bearish reaction will already be priced in if the bears stay in control yet again tomorrow. So the lack of a lower wick shows the bears are still strong. We look at the hourly. Actually, let's go to the weekly first. Weekly, a month of straight downside, and we have taken back in 4 weeks, we have taken back the bullish action over, let's see here, pretty much 6 bullish months taken out in 1 month. So huge drop to the downside. RSI still not oversold on the weekly. Support, not much to be found. The bulls' only hope really here for a short-term turnaround. We held that key 276 support. That's the low from back here in May. We bounced off 276. We dipped below it last week, but we closed right above it. If we have a bullish reaction to the inventory report and we rally into the end of this week, the bulls really, really want to close above 276. It would be a bullish reversal hammer. It would maintain key support, and we would look for a short-term relief bounce from oversold conditions on the daily time frame. That's pretty much best case scenario that the bulls can hope for this week. But again, that's a lot of hope. And in terms of support, we're looking down now. We hit a low of 2607, and next support that I would be looking at after that level is really down at 2517. So there is not much support here, and those, 16-year lows down here at 2374, those are closing in, and they're not too far away at this point, but obviously under such oversold conditions, I don't think we're going to test those levels anytime soon, and I am looking for that short-term bounce. What I'm looking for on this bounce, I will find on the hourly chart. I'm looking for, actually at this point it will probably be the 4-hour chart, but on the hourly chart we obviously need to break the lower high and lower low pattern. We have a high of resistance here at 2676. That's going to be the first level to break. Hourly RSI has been oversold all day. And for the 4-hour chart, going to be looking for a bullish reversal candlestick, a bullish MACD cross, and for the RSI to turn around from oversold. So it's going to be what I'm going to call a bottom fishing play, essentially, where we look for the first signals of support, and then we put our stop loss in after a short-term bounce. If we were to hit lower lows, that would stop us out. But I am scouting. I usually don't play inventory reports because I don't like the gamble aspect. It's really a coin flip. But if we remain in these oversold conditions heading into the inventory report, I would be fairly comfortable making a bullish entry and looking for some upside. So we'll see. Tomorrow will be very telling, and we'll check back in after the close as always. But bears still have full control. And let's now look at some of these names. UNG. So UNG, very oversold RSI, under 25 on the daily. Need to see a bullish reversal candlestick there. And UGAS as well. Big gap down. RSI is 25.26. Big bear volume. Need to see a bullish reversal candlestick on these names. Let's see if their weekly charts are approaching oversold yet. And they are not. So just like natural gas, not approaching oversold. We can see UGAS support is down here at 20 even on the dot. And we're currently at 21. And on the weekly, UNG support is down here at 636. And we're still well above that level. So tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. I might pull the trigger and make a bullish entry, but again, I would need to have at least some support established to make that bottom fishing play and be able to set a stop loss below a clear support level. Appreciate you watching. See you tomorrow.